Wet your hands with clean, running water. Apply enough soap to cover all hand surfaces. Rub your hands palm to palm to create a lather. Place your right palm over the back of your left hand. Interlace the fingers and rub thoroughly. Repeat with the opposite hand. Rub palm to palm with your fingers, interlace to clean the areas between your fingers. Interlock your fingers and rub the backs of your fingers against your palms. Enclose your right thumb with your left hand and rub in a rotational manner. Repeat with the opposite thumb. Rub your fingers against your opposite palm in a circular motion to clean the tips of your fingers and underneath your nails. Rinse your hands thoroughly under clean, running water. Dry your hands with a clean towel or air dryer. If possible, use the towel you dried your hands with to turn off the faucet and avoid recontamination.